the West Branch, Ogemaw County Regional Airport. Beautiful day here for the fly-in, and the C-47's getting ready to depart. It's on its way back down to Willow Run Airport, home of the Michigan Flight Museum, formerly known as the Yankee Air Museum. They gave flights on this aircraft today for the fly-in. You could pay $185 and get a nice ride in a beautiful airplane. Here we go, people. We got a long runway here, even out of ear distance. You see how far away she is. She's away. Woohoo! That didn't take long. And imagine she would just head south. I thought she might come back over for a flyover, but I don't think she's gonna. Off into the wild blue yonder, as they say. No, maybe she might come back around and do a flyover. Let's see. No, I don't think so. Yeah, this happens the third Saturday in June every year. From I think 7 a.m. to noon is the official time for the fly-in here at the West Branch, Ogemaw County Regional Airport. Beautiful spot here. Beautiful spot. Lots of beautiful airplanes. Look at this 1959 Beechcraft. Oh my Lord. What a beauty. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone.